JG Production.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to welcome you guys to Nay's Kitchen. Okay, so today in Nay's Kitchen I will be making my fried rice homemade, and then on the side I'll have some pot stickers that aren't from scratch, but you know, it pairs good with fried rice. So let's just basically get into this video. But before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click like on this video, and comment down below what other things you would like to see me cook. Keep in mind, I am a pescatarian, but you know, we can work around that. So yeah, let's just get into this video.
Chill out.
You guys enjoyed that quick and easy way to make your fried rice from scratch. I enjoy making this because it's really easy. All you gotta do is just cook everything down and mix it all together. It's really easy, and then, you know, don't forget to add your seasonings. But other than that, it's really easy. So let me know in the comments what else you would like to see me cook, okay? It would be, you know, it would be adventurous to try things I never made before. I'm kind of like, you know, I'm excited. So yeah, just leave in the comments down below what you want to see me cook. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thanks. And subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, okay? Thank you. And turn on your post notifications so you know when I post another video.